Hi there everyone! Today I am sharing a Valentine Day sugar cookies recipe. Valentine's cookies are a sweet way to show your Valentine some love. Sugar cookie dough is a deliciously flavored canvas, perfect for transforming into an adorably cute handheld treat with chocolate and sprinkles. Let's get started! By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you'll find many interesting recipes. So, mix together half cup of softened unsalted butter and half cup of powdered sugar. Mix them 2 to 3 minutes until creamy texture.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings.
Next, add 1 medium egg, room temperature, and mix them again until combined.
As the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. As she puts her hand in mine.
In another bowl, mix together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and pinch of salt.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky.
Incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet and mix everything well.
Two hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
Let it chill in the fridge for 10 minutes.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the
After that, roll the dough to a 1/4 inch thickness.
light. Pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Cut out the cookies using any cookie cutter or shape cutter you prefer.
The moonlights, summer sky,
Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper.
best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever.
Bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 7 to 10 minutes. Once the cookies are baked, let them cool down on a wire rack.
We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the
My cookies have cooled. I use 4 ounces of melted dark chocolate. Dip the cookies in the melted chocolate.
night. Wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Add sprinkles on top.
We're gonna be
Let the cookies rest at room temperature until the chocolate sets.
we're gonna be
And the cookies are ready to be enjoyed. Everyone loves gifts from the heart, And this recipe is a fun and easy way to spread some Valentine's Day cheer.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.